Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the September kit from Coco Daisy, which is called Chapters of September. It has a bookish theme, which I'm totally here for. So these are the vinyl sticker and the little theme card that comes in your kit. If you're familiar with my channel and me on the design team, I usually get the scrapbooking core kit, the journaling kit, and then the add-on of pocket cards and the Dori, which they usually slip in here. Okay. So I usually flip through the Dori first so you can get an overall feel and scheme, color scheme for the kit, and it's good. So here is the front cover. We have a lovely abstract floral design, and then a lot of the pages kind of have this vibe, this like quilted patchwork. You know, quarter of the sheet is going to have a different pattern than the other. I actually like it. Here is the lovely plaid. So we have the oranges, the yellows, the blues, and the greens. A nice fall palette. Here's an orange on orange simple pattern. We have the quote on a lovely blue background. Here's that like signature flower for it. Double page of lines. Here again is that quilt look. Here's a tiny floral repeating, that's blue. Like a ledger with a almost like peach and orangey repeat line. Here's that quilty look again. I really like that one. Oh, and then that's the other thing, the theme too. It's the tea bags. You'll see the stamp set over here. It's a tea bag. So cute. Like I really want to do something with that. Here's a repeating floral. Here's that quilty look again with the two-tone of patterns. I love that one. Repeating. Here's a soft plaid. And then the back cover. Very cute. Okay, so then for the cards, because I did already kind of open up the packaging, so I didn't have to deal with it on camera. So we have the 4x6. So here is like the stamps and the September calendar, the little tea bag, what is the hangs from it. That was seen in the Dori too. Here's that quote on a 4x6. Here's pretty much the color palette. And it just says Monday through Sunday. Hello, September. Love that card. Oh, and oh, see? And I love these already working together. You see that? And then the tea bags. Calm, breath, breathe, relax, and enjoy. Here are the 3x4 cards. September. See, the tea bag is a repeating thing. Here's your September repeat card. Slow down and savor the magic. Here's that pattern, homemade moments. There's that plaid. That one's in the book too. A little cozy life. There's the tea, see? Tea and books. So if you're a tea and book lover, you're going to like this. And I'm actually loving the nice like cinnamon orange color too. Moments, slow moments. Here's those little quilty moments. That's in the journal too. Chasing dreams in comfy corners. A page of today's story. Very cute. Oh, and that's the vinyl sticker. Very cute. See? Oh, it's almost twice. Oh, look. See, I can use that on a page too together. Oh, and this one. Stop it. There's my layout. I'm using all of those together. See, and then I love these. So hello, September. Look, and that one can be the journaling card on that way. Oh, and that one too goes with it. See, I'm already thinking of how I'm going to use it with you. Oh, that one too can go with it. Hello, autumn. Yeah, I do like this color. Labor Day and the stars. Very cute. You see, I tell you. Okay. Then in the scrapbooking kit, here's the stamp set. So look, see what I mean? The T, and then you can make the little tassel and the T on the bottom. And then this, I believe, is supposed to be like the little wave to show you how much of the, tea bag is in there. Yeah, and then you stamp these little sentiments in the little tag for it. You see? I think it's cute. Okay, so then the washi in this one, it's light blue with the dark blue repeating dot. We have die cuts. Okay, we got the flowers, The mint, a couple labels, a stack of books, a little tea kettle, more flowers. There's a tea bag, a little book. Very cute. Then these look like those little definition. Yeah, a bunch of little definition. And remember, these are self-adhesive, so just take off the back. So look, memory, wander, dream, craft, muse, moment, nostalgia, cherish. Oh, I like these. I like these a lot. Maybe I can do a whole page with those. Then we have title pieces. Title. Yes. We haven't had titles in a while. Let's see. They're black in a cursive. So reading, September, memories, smiles, stories, currently, good words too. Today, good titles, together, hello, and autumn. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, and an ampersand. Ooh, a little pocket. A little pocket moment. They've had these in other kits before. Here are your chipboard. Love. We have the orange puffy alpha. Love that. See, I like that color. They really did that well. Rub-ons. Oh, and see, that matches the cards too. And then the papers. So we always get 2 white ones. And do they repeat? Oh, they do repeat. Okay, so the repeating floral, and then the quilted looks. So yeah, the plaid and the ledger, and then the orange, and then that one. So you do get 2 per of those. Very nice. I'll put all that away in a minute. And then the journaling kit. So the journaling kit comes with the washi stickers and the journaling card. Ooh, this washi's pretty. It is the classic floral we see in the collection. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry, I wonder if that's me or poor washi. Here we go. That's real pretty. That's real pretty. Here's the journaling card with all your prompts, and then the stickers, the days of the week, the full sheet of the plaid, the full sheet of that quilty look, the icons, an alpha in green, and then the sentiments with the washi strips on the bottom. And then lastly, the 2 extra sets of rub-ons. Okay, so I decided for my first project that I was definitely playing with the pocket cards. Now, the pocket cards, you saw me thumb through it, and you probably already guessed that I was going to do something with those 3 kind of tea boxes with wildflowers coming out the top. They just, to me, naturally go together, so we are using them all together on this layout. So I already had the 3 kind of sentiment / pattern cards, and I also selected one to hold my journaling. My journaling will go on clear sticker paper. It's just not in the photos when I'm finishing up this project for this video, but the journaling does come. For the photos, these are photos from last year. My mother-in-law and aunts and all my, like, their grandbabies, so my daughter, they do like an annual photo shoot over the summer whenever they're together. And the colors in this one was a very outdoorsy, natural color tones, neutrals. Went so well with this collection that I printed some of the photos. And actually, when I looked back at my albums, I had not scrapped these photos yet. So this was perfect that they came together all very easily with this collection. So it's a photo of all of them dressed alike. So the grandmas were all together in an outfit, and then the two granddaughters, and then the 2 grandsons, and they all had cowboy hats on. So it was just so precious, the photo shoot. And this year they did it dressed in like baseball outfits. They were in the Chicago Cubs, and so they were up in Chicago, and so we have more pictures to scrap soon. So like I said, the 3 tea boxes with the wildflowers, and then a journaling card, and then I've been decorating each photo with some of the rub-ons. The rub-ons do work beautifully on photo paper, so just keep that in mind. Whenever you want to embellish your photographs, it can be done, but also the embellishments, the die cuts, or the stickers can also work. I just like the bold colors of the rub-ons on the photos, just sometimes work better than even the stickers do. And so that's all that we did. That's all it is. The 4 journaling cards from the pocket card add-on into my album, they go, and it's complete, and it's so easy, and I love it. Okay, that will wrap up this quick layout using the pocket cards. So when I was going through it in the unboxing, I just loved all of these together. So I definitely knew that I needed to do that all together for my first project. And I even added a little detail there so that all 4 of them have something on there. So all the pictures are decorated with some rub-ons and a die cut, and this was a photo session from last year, and so this year it's coming up on their annual cousin trip, and so we'll have a different set of photos like this for this to commemorate the 2025 family vacation. So oh so cute. Really love these photos, and I have scrapped them before, but the colors worked perfectly with this collection. So I was like, let me just tell a different, perspective for the story here. And so I'll do my journaling off camera, and then we will continue on with creating with this collection. And so this was even last month. So yeah, it's really fun. So I will leave everything linked down below. Remember, this is Chapters of September. It's for September. And thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.